How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open the Facebook app on your device, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you tap on the drop down menu, you're going to find all the accounts that you are logged into. If you want to remove those multiple accounts, then the first step is to log out of your account. So for that, tap on the log out button, tap on log out again for confirmation. Then from here, you can find the multiple accounts. If you want to remove any one of that, you simply want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the profile that you want to remove. After this, tap on the remove profile button. Then tap on the remove option for confirmation. And after doing that, that specific account is going to be removed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.